Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 5.7% in the last session. According to the RSI, we are in an overbought market. The euro-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the pound fall 0.6% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Microsoft announced a duo of custom-designed computing chips joining other big tech firms that, faced with the high costs of delivering artificial intelligence services, are bringing key technologies in-house. The European Union's Executive Commission has lowered its growth forecast for this year and next, saying the economy has lost momentum in 2023, as inflation weights on consumer spending and higher central bank interest rates deter borrowing for purchases and investment. Binance Japan, the Japanese arm of the global blockchain and crypto asset infrastructure leader Binance, is set to significantly expand its offerings. Starting November the 27th, the platform will introduce 13 new tokens to its spot transaction services.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US industrial production will be released at 14:15 GMT, the Dutch unemployment rate at 0530 GMT, Australia's employment change at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Italy's trade balance, EU, will be released at 0900 hours GMT, Japan's tertiary industry index at 0430 GMT, Australia's unemployment rate at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.